Welcome back, MVP Road Car. Today we're diving into something truly unexpected, luxurious, and game-changing. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari has taken its legendary performance DNA, fused it with high-end comfort and cutting-edge design, and created what might just be the most extraordinary motorhome in the world. So, buckle up as we explore every inch of this Italian masterpiece. From its bold exterior and opulent interior, to its powerhouse performance and pricing that will leave your jaw on the floor. At first glance, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks nothing like any traditional RV or camper van. Instead, it's a symphony of aerodynamic perfection and Ferrari's signature racing heritage. The body is crafted entirely from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum composites, giving it the kind of sculpted, sleek silhouette you'd expect from a Ferrari hypercar rather than a luxury motorhome. The front fascia features the unmistakable Ferrari nose with the aggressive front splitter, signature LED headlights, and the iconic prancing horse badge gleaming proudly in the center. Air vents and dynamic intakes flow seamlessly along the body, directing airflow for both cooling and aerodynamic stability. From the side, the proportions are mesmerizing. The designers have managed to give this massive vehicle a low athletic stance, something that almost seems impossible for a motorhome. The wheels are gigantic 22-inch forged alloys wrapped in high-performance Pirelli P0 tires. The sharp side character lines and integrated red accents hint at the kind of performance hidden under the surface. Around back, the tail section features quad exhausts integrated neatly into a carbon diffuser, a full-width LED light bar, and an electronically deployable spoiler for downforce at high speeds. Even stationary, it looks fast. Moving inside, this is where Ferrari truly redefines the meaning of luxury on wheels. Opening the electronically sliding doors reveals a cabin that feels like a blend of a five-star penthouse and the cockpit of a Ferrari supercar. The interior is bathed in premium Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The color palette can be customized through Ferrari's tailor-made program, offering everything from Rosso Corsa to Nero Daytona and even bespoke tones. Every stitch, surface, and control feels handcrafted to perfection. The driver's cockpit resembles that of a Ferrari SF90, digital, intuitive, and loaded with tech. A massive curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, providing real-time vehicle data, navigation, entertainment, and performance metrics. The steering wheel carries Ferrari's trademark Maranello dial, allowing you to switch between drive modes, from comfort and touring all the way to Sport Plus and Track, for those brave enough to unleash its full potential. Behind the wheel, a fully digital 3D instrument cluster adjusts its layout based on your chosen driving mode, giving you a futuristic yet familiar Ferrari experience. Behind the cockpit lies the lounge and living area, and this is where the magic of design and technology truly shine. The floor is finished in carbon ceramic tiles with underfloor heating. The furniture adjusts electronically to transform the layout. The leather recliners rotate and extend. The dining table elevates from the floor, and a hidden 65-inch 8K OLED TV emerges from the wall panel. Ambient lighting glows through hidden strips, and panoramic electrochromic windows can change from clear to tinted at the touch of a button. Further back, the kitchen is a chef's dream. It features a full induction stove, smart refrigerator, espresso machine integrated with Ferrari Connect AI, and carbon fiber countertops that are heat-resistant and lightweight. Every appliance is flush-mounted for a clean, aerodynamic look, even inside the living space. The bedroom area continues this atmosphere of luxury and innovation. A queen-sized bed with Ferrari-stitched upholstery sits against a sculpted leather headboard, surrounded by subtle LED lighting that adjusts based on mood and time of day. The sound system is a custom Bowers & Wilkins 3D setup tuned for the cabin's acoustics, ensuring concert-level clarity. A hidden vanity area, smart storage compartments, and touchscreen panels on either side of the bed allow control of lighting, temperature, and entertainment without moving an inch. The bathroom, too, feels like a small spa. It has an enclosed rain shower with carbon fiber fittings, self-cleaning glass, and temperature memory settings. The sink is a single piece of machined aluminum, and the mirrors have built-in AR displays showing weather, navigation, or vehicle data. Everything is powered by Ferrari's new energy management system that uses solar panels embedded into the roof, a lithium graphene battery pack, and regenerative braking to ensure sustainability doesn't take a back seat to performance. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where Ferrari turns the RV concept upside down. Underneath that sleek exterior lies a hybrid V8 powertrain borrowed from the Ferrari 296 GTB, but tuned specifically for this motorhome. It produces a staggering 830 horsepower combined with an electric boost system that adds instant torque on demand. The motorhome can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4.5 seconds, faster than most sports cars, and reach a top speed of around 155 mph, which is unheard of for a vehicle of this size and weight. The chassis uses an adaptive magnetic suspension system that adjusts every millisecond to road conditions. It glides over highways like a luxury sedan, yet tightens up on corners with Ferrari's precision handling. The electric drive system allows for silent, emission-free cruising up to 60 miles on battery power alone, perfect for city driving or overnight camping without idling noise. The braking system is carbon ceramic, and the steering features Ferrari's latest dynamic torque vectoring for unmatched stability. Driving this machine feels surreal. It's like piloting a grand tourer that just happens to carry your entire luxury suite on its back. Ferrari engineers made sure that even the sound experience is fine-tuned. There's a digital sound control system that can switch between silent electric drive, hybrid mode, or unleash the symphony of the V8 with that signature Ferrari roar that sends chills down your spine. Now for pricing. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a statement of prestige and innovation. With only 25 units planned for global production, exclusivity is guaranteed. The starting price? Around $3.5 million, but that's just the beginning. With custom options, bespoke interiors, and personalized finishes, most buyers are expected to push the price north of $4 million. Ferrari has already reported that most units were reserved within days of its announcement, mostly by collectors and ultra-wealthy enthusiasts seeking the ultimate travel experience. So what you get for that money isn't just speed or style, it's the perfect fusion of luxury, technology, and performance. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't about camping. It's about redefining what it means to travel. It's an experience that combines the thrill of the open road with the comfort of a luxury villa and the soul of a supercar. Whether it's cruising along the Amalfi Coast, exploring the Swiss Alps, or parking beside Monaco's marina, this motorhome turns every journey into a red carpet event. Ferrari has done something no one else dared to try. It has brought the spirit of Maranello into the world of mobility luxury, creating not just a motorhome, but a moving masterpiece. So there you have it, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, where performance meets perfection and adventure meets elegance. This isn't just travel. It's a revolution on wheels, and once again, Ferrari proves why it stands alone when it comes to passion, innovation, and pure Italian artistry. Thanks for watching MVP Road Car. If you loved this review, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insane reviews of the most exclusive and exciting machines on the planet. See you next time, and remember, the road is always better when it's driven with passion.